Hi everybody, welcome back to Glitterati Glamour. So today, you can probably tell by the title, we are going to be doing a cute little devil look. So I have my Tinsley Hollywood FX transfers. I have the packaging here this time. And we are going to be trying some devil horns, a cute devil. So let's get started. Obviously, I start by peeling back the plastic. Okay, so with the first one on, I can kind of see a little bit up here coming off. We are going to grab some scissors in a minute and fix her. But let's get the other one on so we don't look lopsided. Okay, so now that the horn part is on, is it a little lopsided? Oh my god. Yeah, it doesn't look lopsided on my head. Now I'm going to put a little bit of the adhesive it comes with on the horn. Okay, so my horns are stuck on somewhat for the most part. I'm going to go back in once it is fully dry with a little bit of blood, but I think it's time to start on our face. The thing is, I was just gonna do like a natural brow, natural makeup, like heavy eyes, but as I was sitting here doing my horns, I realized no, this is not we're like trick-or-treating. No, this isn't that. You could do this while trick-or-treating, like you could go out with this on, but this is not what this is going to be. This is going to be a full moment. Okay, so I'm going to use Jeffree Star Cosmetics' Poinsettia Velour Liquid Lipstick, and I'm going to grab an eyebrow pencil, or brush, I guess, and I'm going to do my brows sparkly red. Okay. Now that our eyebrows are bright sparkly red, as they should be, we are going to do our normal face stuff. In hindsight, I should have glued the horns when I was done, but this is where we are at, and that's okay. As for cutting our brows, I am just doing underneath because going on top with the horns is going to be a little too tricky. Great, so now foundation, you know all of this. I'm going to do my foundation and I will come back when we are ready for the eyes. Welcome back. I have my base on. I am concealed, and I have my eye base primer on. I will be using shade Flaming Hot from in here and my Rides here. And for depth, I will be using the Morphe Artistry 9D Painted Desert Artistry palette. And I'll be using this one, this middle one, that's called High Temp. And maybe some of like the upper one, which is Vista. We're really going for a full red look. But I think I'm going to start with High Temp in my crease. Then just for a little bit of depth in the crease, we're going into this shade, which is, I can't remember. Now I'm going to quickly pop on some liner and some mascara, and I will be right back. Now that my eyeliner and mascara is done, we're going to do a two-tone lip with black and red. So I'm going to start with putting the black on first. Okay, so now that the black is dried, I'm going to dab a little bit of the red in the center. And now that the lips are done, it's everybody's favorite part, the blood. We are going to grab some knockoff Scab Blood. And there you go. If you don't look like Carrie at the prom, then you're not doing it right. So now that it's everywhere, now you're ready to go out trick-or-treating. Because this is the best devil Halloween look ever. And I really hope this blood is eye safe. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't follow me, you should. On Instagram, it's @glitterati_glamour, and on Twitter, it's @glitterattiglamr. And I hope to see you next week.